I'm Megan. I have been a customer experience designer for over 5 years now, so I decided I would create some resources in the form of videos and packs to help you with your customer experience design journey. You might have heard of customer experience design being called a lot of different names. Things like design thinking, human-centered design, user experience. In this video, I will be running through how to facilitate an empathy mapping workshop. I'm also going to work through each of the steps I would traditionally follow and then give you a working example as well. You can also check out the matching pack, which is on my Etsy shop and I've got listed in the description down below. That pack will give you a blank workshop template that you can use and apply in your own work. Feel free to check out my other resources as well. I've got a bunch of other customer experience packs on Etsy and also videos on YouTube. I really do hope you get value from this video. Please do let me know if you have any questions and let's get into it. All right, so what is an empathy map and when would you actually run an empathy mapping session? An empathy map can really help people to see an experience from a different perspective. Firstly, you run through the objective and then look at who your target audience is, what they're thinking, feeling, saying, and doing. Running an empathy mapping session is great to do when you're kicking off a new project or designing a new product, and it's best to do with a team or with a group of people. You could absolutely run this just for yourself, but from my experience, the more perspectives, the merrier. All right, so step one is to have a brief. Make sure that you have a clear objective for the people attending the workshop. They want to know that their time is being valued and it's actually useful that they're there. Your objective is also going to inform how people interpret and answer each of the questions. Step two is running the workshop or multiple empathy mapping workshops. So firstly, you want to set up time with the relevant team or people. The workshop should typically be about 45 minutes in length. During the session, you want to run through your objective and then give attendees time to add their post-its to one section, run through those post-its, and then complete the same for sections 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so here we've got our working example. Don't worry, I'm going to zoom into each section in a second. At the top, we've got our objective and purpose. So objective, what are we doing? And purpose, why am I here? For number one, we have our target audience. 2, we've got saying. 3, we have thinking. 4, we have feeling. And 5, we have doing. All right, so here is the objective I have created. We want to think from the perspective of a prospective pet owner, it's a lot of P's, so that our people can identify their wants and needs in looking to buy a new pet. And will feel empowered in order to deliver a new website that will encourage people to adopt dogs and cats from pet shelters. And why am I here? You are here because you're a key stakeholder and contributor to the success of this project. Next, we've got number one. So who are the people and target audience for this? We've got prospective pet owners and we've also got pet shelter staff. Next, what do you want people to be saying about this? People might be saying, this is a great website. I don't know what to do and who to call if my pet gets sick. The pet decision tree helped me pick the right dog for me. I'm not scared to adopt a rescue dog anymore. Now we've got thinking. So what do you want people to think about this? In this example, it's things like helpful resources and guides. The staff were really helpful. The website was easy to use. All right, then we've got feeling. So how do you want people to feel about this? It could be, I want to rescue a dog, not buy a dog. I'm more confident to look after a pet. I feel like adopting a pet is the right decision. And finally, we've got doing. what do you want people to be doing and or changing? So this is more behavior related. How do you want people to behave? It could be deciding to adopt a pet instead of buying a new one, providing feedback to us on the features they'd like to see on the website, sending our website to their friends and family so that they can use them. And that is the empathy mapping workshop completed.